friends, I'm Putul. I'm back with another Rakhi video. I made these beautiful Bhaiya and Bhabhi Rakhis. How I made these, I'll let you know during the tutorial. Also, I have a fun story related to Rakhi. How Rakhi is believed to originate, that I'll share you while we'll make these beautiful Rakhis. Do keep on watching. Here I am taking a golden net 12 by 4 cm in size, and with the help of sewing needle we'll be doing a running stitch. So bit of a story about the Raksha Bandhan. It has been cited in Mahabharata that Krishna got his hand injured while killing Shishupal. So what happened next? I'll tell you. Keep watching this video. Here we are done. We'll just tie a knot of the two ends of the thread to keep this piece of net in shape. We'll spread it like this to give a shape of Rakhi, snipping off the extra threads. Taking another piece of fabric with same size, we'll do running stitch similar way. Now the other part of the story. Seeing the hand injured of Krishna and seeing the blood coming out of it, Draupadi, she got worried. She didn't know what to do. Started thinking, what should I do? What she did, we'll see after finishing this step. So we'll again tie a knot, securing both ends of the thread, but we'll not spread it the way we did the first piece. We'll let it hang like a skirt. So this is the two pieces of Rakhi ready. Now I have this lace from which I'll cut off the flowers. Carefully cutting off the flower so that none of the flowers is damaged. So I'll be needing these 3 flowers. After cutting off carefully, I'll be finishing off the extra pieces, if any, that are hanging out. So now rest of the story. Draupadi tore off a piece from her sari and tied it around Krishna's hand. So this day was believed to be the same day on which we celebrate Raksha Bandhan every year. Purnima in the month of Shravan, a month in Hindu calendar. Our flowers are also ready. Let's see what I did next. I took this piece of golden lace and measured how long I want it and cut it off. This is for the Bhabhi Rakhi or the Lumba Rakhi. So we'll adjust the two ends this way on top of the skirt type tassel that we had prepared, and taking another piece we'll tie a knot. Now trimming off the excess, we'll take one of the flowers and stick it on the tassel. See, this is so easy to make and looks very beautiful. Similarly, taking the rest 2 flowers and sticking it on the other piece that we had created. Now another interesting thing about this story that I told you is It is also believed that because Draupadi gave a part of her sari to Krishna to cover his wound, Krishna was indebted and helped her during the Chirharan. Now we are taking another piece of golden lace and cutting it off. This also I measured approximately, and now sticking the Rakhi that we prepared on it. So this is our Rakhi ready. How did you like it? I loved making it, and so easy peasy. Yes, very easy to make. Do try it out and let me know how was the experience. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.